Shalum, daughter of Yahuwah. Breathe deeply. Today, we silence every voice that has ever named you except for the voice of your Creator. We lay down the labels of the world and the wombs of the past, and we stand firmly upon the truth of who Yahuwah says you are. Speak each affirmation clearly, from a place of acceptance and royal authority, daily for 21 days to anchor your Ruah in your true identity. 1. I am a daughter of Yahuwah, the Eluah of all creation, chosen and Qadash before the foundations of the world. 2. My life is not an accident. I was created with a Qadash purpose that only I can fulfill for the kingdom. 3. I reject the lies of worthlessness and shame. I am fearfully and wonderfully made in the image of my Eluah, Yahuwah. 4. My value is not determined by man, my appearance, or my past, but by the priceless blood of Yahusha HaMashiach. 5. I walk in the authority of my royal lineage as a true Abari woman of Yasharal, a light to the nations. 6. The Ruah Ha'Qadash dwells within me, guiding me, teaching me, and confirming my identity in every season. 7. I am not defined by my mistakes, but by the mercy and favor of Yahuwah, which are made new every morning. 8. I am a co-heir with Yahusha, destined to rule and reign in righteousness alongside him, empowered and hopeful. 9. My purpose is to bring esteem to Yahuwah in all I do, reflecting his character and love to a broken world. 10. Today, I fully embrace my name, my calling, and my identity as a Qadash woman of Yahuwah. Nothing can separate me from his love. Breathe deeply. Now speak these truths daily and walk in the freedom of your unique identity. Overcome the enemy's lies with the sword of truth, day after day. Shalum, Yasharal. Barak YAHUAH.